How to change the speed of Instagram Reels? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Before I begin, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me quickly show you how it's done. So it's a pretty simple process in my opinion. All you have to do is pre-select the speed that you want to record your reel in, and it automatically adjusts. So now let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, I've come to the content section of my Instagram account. Now I'll go to the reel tab, and over here on the left corner you can see that there are these options like audio, the duration, and 1x is the speed. And in this video, since I'll be explaining about speed, all you have to do is select the wanted speed of the video. Let's say you want to make the video faster, you select 2x. Let's say you want to make the video slower by half the speed, or you can even make it 1/3 of the speed. It's up to you. But yeah, once you do that, all you have to do now is record the reel that you want to record. Yeah, anything you can do. And once you do that, you can see that it will play back in the speed that you have pre-selected. You can also do this as a post-production thing. So once you record your reel, then you can change the speed. It works both ways. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure you like the video, comment down below on what next video we should make. And yeah, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.